Welcome back to Luxury Motorhomes, the place where ultimate comfort meets extreme performance. And today we are taking a deep dive into one of the most powerful and jaw-dropping motorhomes ever imagined, the 2026 Scania Double Decker 6x6 luxury motorhome. This is not just an RV, this is a rolling mansion built on a heavy-duty Scania platform, designed for people who want true luxury without giving up off-road dominance and long-distance reliability. The exterior of this Scania Double Decker instantly commands attention. Built on a rugged 6x6 drivetrain, it looks more like an expedition truck than a traditional motorhome, yet every line feels premium and purposeful. The massive front grille carries the bold Scania identity, paired with sharp LED headlights that give it a modern and aggressive face. The elevated driving position offers a commanding view of the road, while reinforced bumpers, skid plates, and high ground clearance make it clear this motorhome is ready for deserts, mountains, snow, and anything in between. The double-decker design adds a sense of scale that is hard to ignore, with clean aerodynamic edges that help manage wind resistance despite its size. Premium paint options, blacked-out accents, integrated side awnings, and heavy-duty storage compartments along the lower body make the exterior both beautiful and practical. Every inch of the outside feels engineered for durability, safety, and prestige. Step inside and the transformation from rugged to ultra-luxurious is immediate. The lower deck welcomes you with a wide, open living space finished in premium materials. Soft ambient lighting, high-quality wood panels, brushed metal accents, and plush flooring create an atmosphere closer to a high-end apartment than a vehicle. Large panoramic windows flood the interior with natural light, while electric blinds provide privacy at the touch of a button. The main lounge area features a spacious sofa setup with premium leather upholstery, facing a large smart television and an integrated surround sound system. This space is perfect for relaxing after long drives or entertaining guests in complete comfort. The kitchen is fully equipped to handle both short trips and extended journeys. You get a modern residential-style layout with solid countertops, soft-close cabinets, and ample storage. High-end appliances include a full-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, built-in oven, microwave, and even a dishwasher in some configurations. Everything is designed to stay secure while driving, yet feel natural and functional when parked. The attention to detail here makes cooking on the road feel effortless and enjoyable, whether you are preparing a quick breakfast or a full dinner. The bathroom on the lower level continues the luxury theme. It features a spacious walk-in shower with rainfall shower head, premium fixtures, and elegant tile finishes. A modern vanity with ample storage, high-quality mirrors, and efficient ventilation ensures comfort in all climates. The toilet system is designed for long-range travel, with large water tanks and advanced waste management, making this motorhome suitable for off-grid adventures without sacrificing hygiene or convenience. Moving up to the upper deck, the private bedroom area truly feels like a luxury hotel suite. The master bedroom features a king-size bed with a high-quality mattress, surrounded by soft lighting and premium finishes. Large windows provide stunning views wherever you park, while blackout curtains ensure complete darkness for restful sleep. Built-in wardrobes, overhead cabinets, and hidden storage compartments offer plenty of space for clothing and personal items. A dedicated workspace or lounge corner can also be included, making this upper deck perfect for both relaxation and productivity on the road. Performance is where the Scania Double Decker 6x6 truly separates itself from standard luxury motorhomes. Under the hood sits a powerful Scania diesel engine, delivering immense torque designed to move heavy loads with ease. Paired with an advanced automatic transmission and intelligent all-wheel drive system, this motorhome handles highways smoothly while remaining capable off-road. The 6x6 drivetrain ensures maximum traction on sand, mud, snow, and uneven terrain, making it ideal for expedition travel. Advanced suspension systems provide a surprisingly smooth ride, absorbing road imperfections and keeping passengers comfortable even on rough surfaces. Safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane assist, stability control, multiple airbags, and advanced braking systems designed for heavy vehicles. In terms of technology, this motorhome is packed with smart systems. A centralized control panel allows you to manage lighting, climate control, water levels, power usage, and security systems with ease. Solar panels, large battery banks, and optional generator systems allow for extended off-grid living. Climate control systems ensure comfort in extreme heat or cold, while advanced insulation keeps the interior quiet and energy efficient. Now let's talk about pricing. The 2026 Scania Double Decker 6x6 luxury motorhome is positioned at the very top of the market. Depending on customization, interior finishes, technology packages, and performance upgrades, prices can start around $1.5 million and go well beyond $2 million. This places it firmly in the ultra-luxury category, competing with the most exclusive motorhomes and expedition vehicles in the world. For that price, buyers are not just paying for transportation, but for freedom, comfort, power, and a truly unique lifestyle experience. In the end, the Scania Double Decker 6x6 luxury motorhome represents the ultimate combination of strength and sophistication. It delivers the toughness of a commercial truck, the capability of an off-road expedition vehicle, and the comfort of a luxury home. Whether cruising across highways, exploring remote landscapes, or living full-time on the road, this motorhome proves that you never have to compromise between adventure and luxury. If you enjoyed this detailed review, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more incredible luxury motorhomes, because here at Luxury Motorhomes, we bring you the future of travel on wheels.